Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create vote poll in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp and go to the chat or group where you want to create the poll. Then tap the paperclip icon at the bottom of the screen. That's the attachment button. From the menu, tap the poll. Now, type your question in the Ask a Question box. For example, where should we meet? Then, add your poll option below like mall, park, or cafe. You can add up to 12 options and even allow people to select multiple answers. Once you're done, tap the send button. Your poll will appear in the chat instantly and everyone can start voting in real time. You'll also see live results as votes come in. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.